Nice hide, really green. Gonna try and get him right in his pocket. Nice alleyway for him. Nice wind. So yeah, those are set up. We're hiding from the rain now.
Got some good hide. We got some goats here to please us. Should be a good day.
What's up?
Got the cat with us too.
Wait. Shoot it! Kill him! Let's go! Let's go!
There's more, I think there's more birds.
There's a lot of birds. Get the bird. Get the bird.
Hold on.
Huh? Shoot him?
Kill him! There's more.
There's a lot more birds.
Get the birds! Oh, there's one right there. Good shooting, boys. Good shooting.
Oh, yep.
Let them land. Let them land. Let them all land. Don't shoot. No.
Yep.
Oh, I just dumped that one over there. Gotta go get them cripples.
Let them land.
Not yet.
Let them all land.
Now?
Don't shoot. No.
No.
It's a GoPro on Nike.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead, kill him.
Kill him! Let's go!
Coming over the right, coming over the right. Coming over the right.
Over the right.
No, they're gonna circle. They're gonna circle. Yeah.
What do you say? Enough.
We're gonna have to take them. We're gonna have to take them. They're flaring. They're flaring.
Incoming!
Yeah. Wait.
Whack him.
Let's go, baby!
Come back too.
Can we whack him?
Oh. Nike got her.
Wait.
Call it.
Take him.
Look at whack him, whack him, whack him, whack him.
Oh, God, there it is!
He's like our
Here, let's
flag
get them
guy.
all back there and count them. I don't know. We're close.
Yeah, we.
Two and a half hour trip. Got here, some guys already had the field. Luckily they were cool enough to let us hunt, so we did a joint hunt with them. We had an amazing shoot. Crazy decoying. I mean, they were coming right into us. About every single flock wanted to do it right for us, right in the pocket. So really foggy this morning, rainy. Good waterfowl day. We got some excavator over there making a lot of noise, but yeah, it was hard hearing today, but we just kind of stayed in the blind and had a couple groups, one group flare, so we just kind of stayed low all morning and got ready for them, and that's what we did. We just saw them come over the trees, and yeah, it was a really good shoot.
Pounded him.